Welcome back, everyone. This is Vanilla. And if I give a brief intro about me, I would say that I'm a defense aspirant currently preparing for NDA 2026. That is my last attempt and the fifth attempt. Those who don't know, NDA, that is National Defense Academy, is one of the entry through which you can enter into the Indian Armed Forces. And here, the person who are currently studying in class 12th or have passed, provided you should meet the age criteria, can appear for the exam. This NDA 2 2026 is very special for me because this is my last and final attempt. And I don't feel bad, or else what I say, don't feel inferior that I have failed in my last 4 attempts, because I have gave my level best and I don't care what others think about that. I gave my 100% and I know what all I went through and how all it went. Okay, let's keep it aside and discuss about those 4 attempts, its mistakes, and whatever we say on some other day. Today, if I calculate from 3rd June, that is from today, to 12th April, let's keep that in the side, 12th April, we have exactly 1 or 2 days. And we don't want an entire plan for these 1 or 2 days. I just want to divide it as, firstly, just remove those 12 days from September, because those days are just for your full mark full mark revision analysis. That's it. So if we remove and just calculate the June, July, and August, we have 3 months, that is exact 90 days. So now, if we calculate our study routine, or the main thing which I want to share is my schedule, which I'm going to follow this 90 days. No matter what, I want to give my everything. I want to fight till the very end. Because coming this far, I don't want to say that it was just a dream when I look back after a few years. I want to say that I fought for it till the very last moment. So, okay, let's get into the schedule. Even in these 90 days, I just want to again divide them into one month, because having a huge plan is little messy. Even if you miss 1 or 2 days in those 90 days, everything gonna mess up. So let's start with our first month, that is June. And here I'm going to share my schedule, how I'm going to spend these first, like, we have approx 28 days, right? It's 3rd June today. So how these first month 28 days are gonna be. And here I'm going to share according to my schedule, because my college is starting on 22nd. I have entire time of like whole day till then. So I'll plan according to myself, and if you are a defense aspirant, you can also plan according to your convenience. We are gonna divide into months and then into weeks. Like, if in this June month we'll be having targets for weeks, first week, second week, and third week. As already in this week 2 days have passed, what is gone. Now let's start from today, that is from 3rd June to 6th June. And on 7th June we will be, that is on Sunday, we'll be doing our revision or mocks or whatever the targets that were left out that week, which were not done due to any reason, whatever it might be. So for 3rd, 4th, and 5th, every day you're gonna write your targets, and even I'm gonna share my targets. I'm doing 3, or like little 10% of other subjects also. Like, see, as you can see, current affairs, we are having a target of May and April or March. So like daily 10 current affairs. And roughly, if I speak, I want to finish physics and geography mainly till June 30. And bio, it's okay even if I finish the half, but I want to start bio. That's why I kept it as there as my target. And you can also write your targets, but don't make all those 100 days targets and all. It's not gonna work. Just make your first week target, and then after, these are gonna be my first week targets starting from 3rd June. Here for maths, I'm going to do probability, which I have already started like yesterday, and stats. Like, if I finish the probability in next 2 days, I'm gonna even start stats. And in May month, I have did differential equation, that is limits, continuity, differentiation and application of derivatives. So daily I'm going to practice those at least 5 questions to have that grip and maintain that consistency in those subjects which I have already finished before. And for physics, as we have 4 days, right, every day I'm going to do one chapter. Like today if it's work power energy, tomorrow like force and loss of motion. And I have enrolled in a batch for GAT, not for maths, for GAT. So I would be going according to the subjects, sorry, the chapters which were finished there. But main target is every day one chapter, and I need to do it with theory and questions. Since it's not my first attempt, it's fifth, right? So I can do it in one day. If you're a student of first attempt or the second, you can take 2 days, like first day for theory and first day for classes and theory and just learn them, and second day for practicing questions, and from next day you can do PYQs and all those things. For geography, I'm a science background student. I don't have any such knowledge about geography. That's, I feel like it's the toughest subject for me. But since I need to do, I don't want to take any risk about this geography every day. Even if it is small, I want to do one topic. Like yesterday I have did interiors of earth. Today earthquake. Tomorrow volcano. Only little things I'm gonna understand and do for this. For English, we need daily practice, and as I said, current affairs daily 10 questions. Here in English, I'll be covering reading section, that is the comprehensions, PQRS, daily one section of 10 questions each we can practice, right, for next 100 days. If we do that consistently, we can get a lot out of it. And for vocabulary, as like I'll be following my batch vocabulary, and for grammar, like for 3 days or 4 days I'd be doing one section. Like first it's concept or classes, second day it's practice, and third day practice and the test. In that way I'm going to follow for English. Daily maths and English, these two subjects are compulsory. And if you are just taking and going 3 subjects one day, it could be maths, English and physics, and the other day maths, English and geography. In that way you can follow. This roughly is my plan for this first week. Yeah, now since like similarly in the same way as I shared you the first week schedule, on Sunday we will be seeing the results, like analyzing the results. I'll share the video like what all are the targets I have achieved till now and the targets for the next week, so that every Sunday we are going to have a video of this preparation of how we are improving the targets we are achieving or the consistency we are having to win, of course, right, to win. That's it. I guess you got a rough idea of how to plan your schedule accordingly. If you have any problem or any issue related to your preparation or any doubts regarding this video, you can write down in the comment section. I'll definitely answer you. Thank you and Jai Hind.